Welcome to NextGen Spark, where ideas light up your future. Before we begin, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and join the spark. That's shaping tomorrow.
The world is changing fast. If you're 16 today, what you learn now can shape who you'll become at 21. Are you ready for the future? Top tech skills in demand in 2025. Number 1, AI and machine learning. From ChatGPT to self-driving cars, AI is behind it all. If you can train machines to learn, you're not just using tech, you're shaping it. Learn Python, play with data, build models. The world needs creators, not just users. Number 2, cloud computing. Netflix, Google Drive, your favorite games, they all live in the cloud. By 2025, cloud experts will be like digital architects. Want to build big? Learn AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. That's where the future is hosted. Number 3, prompt engineering. You don't need to be a coder to talk to AI. You just need the right words. That's prompt engineering. If you can guide an AI to think smarter, you become the brain behind the machine. It's like casting magic spells in a digital world. Number 4, UI UX design. Every app you love, from TikTok to Spotify, was designed to feel smooth and addictive. That's the power of UI UX. You don't just design buttons, you design experiences. Learn tools like Figma and Adobe XD. Make tech feel human. Number 5, cybersecurity. Hackers won't wait, and companies are looking for digital bodyguards. If you're curious, detail-oriented, and want to protect data, cybersecurity is a rising giant. Learn ethical hacking, network security, and stay 10 steps ahead. These skills aren't just for tech geniuses, they're for dreamers, builders, and believers. You. Start today. Learn a little every day. And by 2025, you'll be ready not just for a job, but for a future you designed. Your future job doesn't exist yet, but your mindset does. Will you be ready for it? Subscribe to join the rise.